po.
Morning.
May ano lang po kami, may interview lang po kami about po sa school. Ano po yung, what are the highlights in working in a multicultural diverse environment?
Introduce ko lang sa sarili ko.
Yes,
So, I'm Binaro Galang. I'm a tourist guide. I'm a tourist guide accredited UOT and tour operator as well. So the first question is, what are the highlights in working in a multicultural diverse environment? Working in a multicultural and diverse environment, like in tourist industry, especially as a tourist guide, you must be aware that you are dealing with clients from different nationality. So you have to expect na these clients have different nationality, different cultures, tradition, religious belief. So yun yung dapat paghandaan as a in a tourism industry, because from there you can create tour services na babagay that will match their different needs.
Second question please. Can you name a specific incident and share how it was resolved?
There's so many experiences sa loob siguro ng almost 16 years as a tour guide, but recently, last February 10, as a eco guide, we're being offered to learn different languages such as Nihongo, Japanese, and Korean Hangul, but I focus more on Mandarin. So incidentally, last February 10, during the long weekend, we encountered a solo traveler, Chinese. So she can speak English. She can speak a little, but ang gusto niya, she wants to share tour. So she can afford the rate of the tourist bangka. So, but she can speak English. She can. So I approached her, speak a little Mandarin, and so yung gusto niya is makishare, but that Filipino don't want to ayaw. So, I talked to her, then I assist her, and then talagang ayaw. Then nakakuha kami ng 10 people. So we divide the rate. But since may parang ayaw kasama ng mga Pilipino. So luckily, I met this girl from Pakutatan, a local Miss Maribis Apian, who married British. So pumayag siya na mag-share sa tour. So, ang doon is resolve the problem, because I learned a little Mandarin. Yun.
So, the last question is, what do you think are the disadvantages of working in a multicultural diverse environment?
Disadvantage siguro, like mo lack of cultural awareness. So that result in mga unsatisfied customer. For example, dito, same, mag-offer tayo ng food without asking them kung like Australian, for example, they don't eat seafoods, but local people do. They love seafoods. Sa Muslim, sa religion naman, sa diverse religion, sa mga Muslim, they eat a lot halal foods. Same as with vegetarian, they don't eat meat. So, kabaliktaran sa Australian, they don't eat seafoods, but they love lamb or beef. Kung wala, pork or meat. So, nagkakaroon ng disadvantage kasi hindi tinatanong, unsatisfied sa customer. Ang advantage naman is, we learn from them through interaction siguro. For me, as 16 years ng tour guide, I learned from them. Aside from that, siguro yung course ko dati marine engineering, we have subject aptitude for service, where we taught about different religions, Taoism, Buddhism, Hinduism, and then culture of other people. Kasi na-expect we're going to work in different countries. But here, we experience na sa pakikipag-interact, yung mga naging past experience na. So ngunyan, we offered tour. We gave them yung advantage na we'll already learn. We offered tour na detalyado na. We asked them ano nationality. We have this details of the tourist. So yung nakukuha na namin, we asked them anong food ang bawal sa inyo. So anong mga hindi pwede, anong mga sa AIDS din kasi diversity. Meron tayong mga nagiging guest na hindi pala kayang get physical. Lagi dito, puro island natin lang, walang gano'ng ano. So yun, that is the advantage you learn from them, and then they learn from us. Na-improve natin yung service. Nagbabase tayo ng marketing. So susunod, we can offer tour pag ganitong nationality, ganito. Germans, they love beers, ganon. But number one is yung ginagawa ng DOT ng paraan is yung language barrier. English is not a universal language because most Asians don't speak English. Kaya the DOT offered us to learn different languages as Mandarin. Yan, focus ako sa Mandarin now. That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.